So what you're looking at is Kawasaki ZX10R. This is the ZX10R. It is sensational. It's a work of art. It's a sculpture from every angle. It is a stunning, super beautiful superbike. You also get the massive Brembos up front. You get the gas chamber designed by Scher, and this is incredibly advanced actually. So very amazing superbike suspension. This is the 2025 colour scheme by Kawasaki and it stands out. Yeah, absolute superbike, especially got these lovely graphics down there and you've got the yellow. It is so interesting to look at. 200, just over 200 horsepower, inline 4, race engine, superbike. Even the headers are titanium, which is from the factory, which is brilliant. With the integrated LED indicators, slipper clutch, so you can dump the clutch when you need to on downshifts, which yeah, superbike. Frighteningly fast. You get the Brembo master cylinder and the seat cover, which is a must on a superbike. No pillion's going to hold on to you. How frighteningly fast these are. And you do get the Aqua Perfect end can, but notice no removable baffle. Oh man. And yeah, race handlebars. You get the electronically controlled Öhlins steering dampener, and you get a shift light built into the TFT. TFT, I'd say, has a pretty good size. Oh yeah, look at that. Rev counter is all that matters. And you get cruise control on the superbike.